Welcome to ICSC Help YouTube channel. Today the topic is mensuration for ICSC class 10th mathematics. First of all we discuss what is include and what is exclude in mensuration chapter for ICSC class 10 math. So first of all discussing the topic include in 2022 exam. Only mensuration has the structure of 3D of a cone, cylinder and sphere. But sphere is not in syllabus in 2022. Only cone and cylinder in syllabus. So in your mensuration chapter, only the problem of cone and the problem of cylinder should be solved. So sphere has been reduced and we will study about only cone and cylinder. It is a long chapter and it needs two videos for separate cone and for separate video for cylinder. So today we take the topic of cylinder only cylinder, and in our next video of mensuration part 2 we will discuss about cone. Today is only discuss about the cylinder. You know the cylinder is this design, this is cylinder and this is the height of cylinder, this is the radius of cylinder. Before starting the chapter cylinder, you have studied in class 9 that this is the circle and the circumference of this circle is 2 pi r. Circumference of this circle is 2 pi r. Let it is the circumference, this is r, then circumference is equal to 2 pi r. And the area of circle pi r square. It is the topic of class 9 mensuration in 2D, not 3D. But in mensuration ICSC class 10 in the syllabus only 3D of cylinder and cone. During the study of cylinder, you will need about the circumference of circle and the area of circle. So it is compulsory to study the topic of cylinder. In cylinder, there is two types of cylinder: solid cylinder and hollow cylinder. This is the solid cylinder and hollow cylinder is this type. Hollow cylinder. This is 12. If this is the radius small r and this is the radius capital R and this is the height h. First of all we discussing about solid cylinder. It is solid cylinder and this is hollow cylinder. Discussing the formula of cylinder, solid cylinder. First we discussing the curved surface area. Curve means curved surface. This is curve, not this, only curve is equal to 2 pi r h. Curved surface area is only 2 pi r h and the total surface area is equal to curved surface area and one circle and one circle. I means two circles. Circle का pi r square. Circle का pi r square. Area of circle is equal to pi r square. circumference of circle 2 pi r, 2 pi r square curved surface area and total surface area, and the volume of cylinder, solid cylinder, pi r square h. This is the formula of solid cylinder. Curved surface area means only curved part, not upper and lower part. 2 pi r h. Total surface area, curved surface area plus 2 pi r square, curved surface area plus 2 pi square, and formula of curved surface area, 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square, and take the common 2 pi r h plus r is the formula curved surface area, total surface area, and the volume of solid cylinder is pi r square h. This is the volume. So note down the three formula: curved surface area, total surface area, and volume of solid cylinder. And the solid cylinder topic has been clear. Now the topic is hollow cylinder. In hollow cylinder there is a hole between the cylinder from top to bottom. So there will be, suppose, two radius. First radius from center to this, capital R, and the second radius is from this to this, is let small r. And what is the thickness of this hollow cylinder? Subtracting capital R, subtracting small r from capital R is the thickness. Hollow cylinder thickness is equal to r minus small r, then it will be left r minus small r. Suppose that this is 5 and this is 3, then there is 5 and this is 3, so this will be 2, r minus r. अब there is two curved surface, external curved surface and internal curved surface, and external curved surface. So there is two curved surface, external curved surface area is same as this 2 pi, but not small because it is r. External, for external radius is capital R, so 2 pi r h. And internal curved surface area 2 pi small r h, because small r, and the internal curved surface area, this small, is for calculating the curved surface area of small internal part, and this r is used because from here to there, and this r is used to external curved surface area. And total curved surface and area of cross section means this area. I mean this area. Achha, you know that the area of circle is pi r square. And if there is cut in the hole, then area of this circle is also pi r square. This is small r and this is capital R. This is small r and this is capital R. Then what will be the area? The area of bigger, subtracting the area of smaller from the area of bigger. So subtracting the area of bigger from whole circle minus area of smaller, pi r square, and you will get the area of this region. And taking common pi r square minus r square. So in hollow cylinder there is thickness r minus r, external curved surface 2 pi capital R h, and internal curved surface area 2 pi small r h, and the area of cross section pi r square minus r square from top and same to the below bottom. And if you discuss about the total surface area of hollow cylinder, then you should know about the curved surface area, external curved surface area, outer, internal curved surface area, inner, and the top of the cross section, and two cross section area, and two cross section. So putting the value total surface area, external curved surface. What is external curved surface? 2 pi RH. And what is internal curved surface? 2 pi small rh. What is two cross section? Pi r square A is equal to 2 pi r square minus r square. This is the formula of total surface area of hollow cylinder. So taking common 2 and pi in both case, RH small rh plus r square minus r square. This is the formula of total surface area of hollow cylinder. So the concept of the chapter has been clear, and in our next video we will discuss about the cone. Today the cylinder topic has been clear, and we will discuss about the cone, and sphere is not in your syllabus for 2022. To solve the numerical of mensuration of any famous publication, concise math, R.S. Agarwal Goel math, M.L. Agarwal, O.P. Malhotra, or any other ICSE famous publication writer, and visit ICSEhelp.com to get the solution in serial of latest edition in 2022 syllabus. Thank you.